Hello friends, welcome to ASP.NET tutorial. In this video, we will look into link button control and how to work with it. Like button control, link button control also submits data to the server. The appearance is like a link, and when user clicks the link, form data is submitted to the server. Alright, so the appearance will look like a link, but when user clicks it, the form will be submitted to the server. The control at runtime uses the JavaScript's do post back to submit the form data, and let's modify the previous example to add link button control and see how it is submitting the data entered into the text boxes. Now let's go to the demo. Alright, now just go to Solution Explorer and add a new web form. BC07. Or we can use our existing form itself. This is also submitting the data, right? So here is the label, right? It's highlighted here, and this is the submit button. In between, we will sandwich our link button control. And if you see, this is the link button control, and it's here in the toolbox. You can drag and drop it, or you can type the code ASP link button. ID is link button submit run at server, and here we are providing content as submit data, and if you save, it will look like a link. So we'll go to source view, access the property LNK btn submit, and double click here. When you go to ASPX now, it will add on click handler, rebuild the solution. That's all. Now you can see that clicking the link also will submit the data, and here we doesn't have any code, right? We will place the same code from our previous example. You can see the same content we are typing here. If you need, you can extract a function from the code here and call the same function in both the places. Alright, we will rebuild the solution and view the code in your browser. So the same way we can submit the content. You can use the submit or submit data link, and towards the bottom you can see the link JavaScript do post back. So that's what it is calling. Now we will click it, and you can see the link button also submitting the data to the server. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.